In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the CrossTab node. This node creates a table of all possible combinations between two categorical variables and the count of how many instances of each combination exist in the dataset. To use the CrossTab node, first in the configuration pane, we need to select the first column which we want to appear in the table. Then we just need to select the second column which we want to appear in the table. Now we can execute this workflow. Here in the execution page, we can see that after the node CrossTab is done executing, it outputs a table. This table contains all possible combinations and a count of how many of each instance exist. Thank you for listening.